Good afternoon, Clay.Thompson here at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Today we got in a 2019 Arctic Fox by Northwood. It's the 32.5M. Very rare. I've been here 16 years. We get very few of the Northwood products in trade. This one has been very well maintained. As you see, some of the things that the previous owner did with the bug screens on the outside exhaust systems and whatnot, just, all telltale signs of a previous owner knowing how to take care of and maintain an RV. You can see that it's been treated right. Come on inside, let me show you the inside. It's beautiful. So here we are inside the 2019 Northwood Arctic Fox 32.5M. A couple of things that I want to note on the outside. This has had a Roadmaster suspension upgrade along with disc brakes, Goodyear G-rated tires. So again, as I said earlier, this thing has been well maintained, very well manicured for the RVer to use it on the road and feel very confident with the quality product that it is. As we look inside with the door side slide with the booth dinette, normally these would have table and chair, which is different, so that's a very nice feature. A little more storage that way and a little more convenient getting in and out of the dinette table. Fireplace, nice big entertainment center, dual pane windows, day and night shades on it toward the back with the big back window, overhead cabinetry, recliner, rocker chairs, along with the one-piece end cap on the exterior that Arctic Fox does that a lot of the other guys do not do. The theater seating on the off-door slide, along with the four-door refrigerator, large oven, large microwave, lots of counter space and cabinet space, nice little island, upgraded mattress in the bedroom, nice glass shower enclosure. This one actually has the queen bed option. So with the queen bed in the bedroom, we got nightstands on both sides of the queen bed. So that makes it very, very nice. And a nice upgraded mattress that's in this, along with the large bedroom TV. So just a lot of upgrades in this unit that if you're looking for something that somebody spent the money on to accessorize it, it's already been done and it's ready to go. If you have any questions or have any ideas or questions on this particular one or any fifth wheel we may have in stock, you can reach me. My name is Clay.Thompson with Guaranty RV Center. You can reach me direct at 541-979-1770. Make sure you contact me.